Are you struggling with managing and standardizing your work, such as losing experimental notebooks or inconsistent note-taking methods of different people? Yokogawa's multifunctional electronic lab notebook, OpreX Informatics Manager, solves such problems and supports the standardization and efficiency of your operations. To begin recording a project, OpreX Informatics Manager employs a data structure where multiple tasks are registered under a single project. By registering each step of your workflow as a task, you can get an overall picture of the work completed on a project-by-project basis. Creating templates in advance for each task type helps achieve standardization. You can customize task templates to align with your business workflows. In order to run experiments and record results, enter your notes into the tasks within the project using the templates you previously created. While entering the data, you can attach photos and directly import existing files in the Excel or Word format. Automatic calculation will be performed when numbers are entered. Excel, Word, and other files can be imported as they are, and they can later be utilized as needed. In the pharmaceutical industry, standard operating procedures, SOPs, are essential for regulatory compliance. You can create SOPs by adding new entries in the electronic notebook or importing existing ones. The ability to reserve equipment and reagents directly from the notebook enables smooth implementation planning and preparation. You can also integrate review and approval workflows. You can manage these tasks in a list. Yokogawa's multifunctional electronic lab notebook, OpreX Informatics Manager, will support your digital transformation.